Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a triangle window. So you can insert window by using this window tools and I will use default. Click on walls to insert the window. Now you have this window option, and to change into the triangles you can select the window, click open and go to arch, change type to triangle arch. Click OK. Now you can select the window and then you can recess to the top here. So to be create the triangle window. You also can edit some options in the window specification. Like for arch in here, you can set for height and 100 and it will be automatically fix the size of the window. You also can set for the frames or not. And this is for the casings, interior and exterior. For the options, you also can set for another, like for lintel, and another option for this triangle window. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a triangle window. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.